To start, listen to the sound of my engine. Very high revs to initiate the movement, but as I get through the big hole that's in the water, you hear my revs are descending. So this means I'm able to hold traction even though I'm on wet, slippery rocks. Now, I did not commit enough to make it all the way up the first ledge, but I got myself to the point where I was able to push up. After I get to that safe spot, I hold steady revs, and that prevents me falling back down the waterfall, where the rocks are a lot more slippery than they look. So if I'm not holding those revs, even if I've got the brakes on, I'm just gonna slide down and end up in the water.